Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 5 kgs in 7 days super easily. Summer season along with it brings lots and lots of colorful vegetables, fruits, and with it comes the opportunity of losing weight fast as well. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always message me on the WhatsApp number given below, or you can even email me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com and we'll start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with summer diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 5 kgs in 7 days super easily. Starting with the early morning drink. As soon as you wake up, always make sure that you drink at least 1 glass of normal room temperature water. And then you begin your day with your diuretic water, which is either you can have warm lemon water in which you can add pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to help you with flushing out all the bad toxins from your body in the morning itself. If you cannot have this, then you can always have ginger tea. All you have to do is simply add grated ginger to 1.5 cups of water, bring it to a boil and have it sip by sip empty stomach. This helps to reduce the inflammation in the body. At the same time, also works as a great diuretic to increase your urine pass out as well, and in turn reducing your water retention as well. Proceeding towards your breakfast options for summer diet plan. Always make sure to increase your portion of fruits when it comes to your summer diet. And it's best if you consume maximum amount of fruits before 12 noon. So breakfast will give you two options. The first option is you can have a good full bowl of watermelon or melon. Both are in the season, very easily available and definitely fresh. You can have approximately 500 grams of watermelon or melon, or you can even mix both because they are both watery fruits and have it for your breakfast. Or you can even simply follow this watermelon slush smoothie in which I've added frozen watermelon along with some mint leaves, and you can blend it out and have your slushy watermelon as well. Proceeding towards our second option for breakfast is for all of those who cannot have this. You can always go for either a veggie omelette. If you can have eggs, make sure to consume at least 3 egg whites in the breakfast itself to give you good protein content, and make sure to stuff it up with lots and lots of vegetables available in the season. Or you can even have club sandwich. Now the recipe for my wholesome club sandwich is yet again up on my channel. It is super easy to prepare and very effective for weight loss as well because it contains good amount of fiber, at the same time probiotics as well. So you can either have watermelon or melon, or veggie omelette if you can have eggs, or you can have club sandwich as per your own preference. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which comes between breakfast and lunch. Very important meal. You can simply have 1 glass of goond katira with lemon added to it. Now the recipe of this is yet again up on my channel. Goond katira is very cooling in nature, and people suffering from inflammation in the summer season should definitely incorporate this every single day in the summer season to help them curb their inflammation in the body. Proceeding towards your second option for mid-morning snack is you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed matcha tea. Now 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and definitely helps you with your skin benefits as well. The link to buy best organic vegan matcha tea is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Proceeding towards our lunch options for summer diet plan. And as usual, before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add approximately 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water and have it sip by sip 1 hour before your lunch. This helps to curb your appetite, at the same time helps in improving your digestion as well, and does not let your blood sugar spike when it comes to your lunch intake. People suffering from PCOD, PCOS or thyroid should definitely have this to help them reduce weight fast as well. Proceeding towards our lunch options for summer diet plan. The first option is you can always have kebab salad. The recipe for my kebab salad is yet again up on my channel. You will forget all the Subway salads or any of the outside salads because this recipe wins every single time. The complete recipe is here. You can follow it and enjoy your delicious kebab salad because it's summer season and you will definitely need more of salad intake because it's seasonally available. Second option is for all of those who crave having any kind of noodles or something very different for their lunch options. Here is a recipe of my vermicelli pulao. Vermicelli is prepared with suji, so definitely a very healthy option when it comes to your intake of something yummy but at the same time very healthy as well. The complete recipe of vermicelli pulao is here, you can follow it. It includes lots and lots of vegetables and takes only 10 minutes to prepare. The recipe is super simple. Proceeding towards our third option for summer weight loss lunch option is you can have curd rice. Now curd rice is one of the most healthy option when it comes to your anti-inflammatory food options. Super easy, super yummy to prepare at the same time, very healthy in each and every manner. Simply add 4 to 5 spoons of curd in cooked white rice, mix it all well and have it along with some tadka as per your own preference, or you can even skip it and enjoy a delicious curd rice. Helps you to curb your rice cravings at the same time and will keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options, for which you can have either tea or coffee as per your own preference if you like having it for your mid-evening snack, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. Or you can even have 1 cup of freshly brewed matcha tea or chamomile tea as per your own preference to help you with increasing your antioxidant levels and to boost your belly fat cutter drink benefits as well. Along with this, you can always have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts to get all the vitamins and nutrients of the day as well. Proceeding towards our healthy summer dinner options for weight loss. First option is you can always have a good full bowl of papaya or pineapple along with added 2 to 3 teaspoons of curd to this. Now what exactly this does is that it helps to reduce the inflammation in the body. At the same time, people suffering from constipation issues will definitely be cured very quickly with this dinner option. You can even prepare a smoothie out of it or simply have one good full bowl of papaya or pineapple along with some spoons of curd. Next option is you can have oats in milk with fruits. This is yet again a very super healthy option when it comes to your weight loss because oats are a great source of fiber, magnesium and all the necessary nutrients and vitamins as well. You can use low-fat skim milk or even almond milk as per your own preference to prepare these oats and load it up with some fruits of your own choice. And the last option is fruit smoothie bowl. And the recipe for my fruit smoothie bowl is yet again up on my channel. Super easy, super yummy to prepare and definitely will help you see a lower number next morning on the scale definitely, because this option helps you to remove all the water retention super easily and super quickly. And here is the complete recipe of my smoothie bowl. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink option. The first option is you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea to relieve all the stress of the entire day and to help you sleep better as well. People suffering from insomnia should definitely consume this tea once a day to help them get healthy, good, proper sleep of the night. Second option is if you cannot have this, you can always have ajwain or jeera water to help you remove all the water retention, bloating, swelling of any kind in the body overnight and give you good weight loss benefits as well. Helps to cut your belly fat as well super easily. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. Reason being because summer needs hydration and definitely it has to be good hydration to help you remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or diet plans and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming What I Eat in a Day vlogs and how my diet goes each and every day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.